everyone, good morning. It's around, I think, 8 o'clock or past 8 this time. And what I'm going to do, I'm checking the mango trees. If there's some, oh, I can see there's one in there. I saw it. If there's some mango fruits that fall down, it's, guys, it's very windy. Struggling to carry my umbrella. I saw one in here, this one, and I have a plastic bag to put my mangoes. Wait, guys, I will put my mango, on my plastic bag. And there's one more here, but looks like it's not very good. So let's carry on here. There's a lot of mango trees here, guys. But this is not ours. We don't own this mango trees place here. Let's try to go down here. Let's see if there's some more in here. Oh, I can see there's another one. Guys, this is too little, but it's already good mangoes. There's a big one in here, and that's the tree. I don't have any stick to get some more mangoes, so I'm just looking if there's some fruits that falling down on the ground. It's really windy, so I hope you can hear my voice. I make sure it's loud. And also there's I don't know if this is good. This one, guys, another shape is the golden mango. That's the tree of the golden mango in there, if you can see. And I don't know if there's still a lot of fruits in there. And there's another one here. Some more. See? Some more mangoes. Another more. And they're already ripe. This one, guys, is already ripe. Soft. The owner of this place, of this mango trees place, is right over there. I don't know if you can see the basketball ring, the blue basketball ring right in there, across the sugarcane field. So if ever there's some people that coming here on their place, at their place, mango trees place, they can see it, guys, because their house is just crossing on that sugarcane, or let's say rice field, just crossing on that rice field. But it's okay because there's a lot more in here, even though I don't need to get some fruits up on the tree with stick. I can able to collect some mango fruit. So this is what I'm doing now, picking some falling mangoes. Right here, there's one more here, and well, at least there's plenty, guys. So the owner of this place, they cannot shout me that, hey, you get some of our mangoes there and you don't ask a permission. I don't need to ask permission because I didn't have any tools to get some fruits on the tree. I just picking up those fruits that falling down on the ground, so it's free. No need to ask permission. There's one more here, and it's still good. See, still okay, guys. Sometimes I also going here to pick up some firewood, because when sometime we are run out of gas, we also using firewood, guys, for cooking. And this is my umbrella. Oh, I saw another one right there inside of the fence. I never noticed it earlier when I'm there. Oh, this is my plastic bag. It's quite windy, and I tried to, and there's another one more here, and it's already ripe. So it's good. It's quite good because it's already ripe. This one there. Hopefully still good because it's big. Quite big, this one. But even though there's a damaged part, I still collect this because you know what, guys, our dogs also like to eat. They love also to eat ripe mango. So it's fine if there's part of the fruit that damaged. This one looks like eaten by bats or bird, I think. And that's the golden mango tree, and looks like there's no more fruits in there because as far as I heard, they already sell the owner of these trees. They already contact for a buyer. Yeah, they already contact for a buyer to buy to sell, I meant, their mango fruits. It's really quite windy, guys. I hope that you can hear my voice. I try to make it loud so that you can hear me. Supposed to be I bring my sticks because I need to get some. These mangoes, guys, that I'm collecting, we just eat this. We are collecting this and put it aside on the corner and let it ripe for a few days. Then when it's ready to eat, when it's ripe already, I mean, yeah, there's another one in there. I mean, good thing there's a lot here. Another one, so it's fine. Even though I don't got a stick with me, I still collect plenty here. There you see on my yellow plastic bag. It looks like there's no more. That's the dead rice field. I saw another one in there. It's just a little one, but if it's okay, there's no more. There's a bite on another part, another side of mango. There's a bite. You know, some kids, they just go to this mango tree place and get some mangoes. Sometimes they just using pebbles or rocks, and they just throw the mango fruits on the tree. And sometimes if they don't like it because it's not ripe yet, they just throw it away. So wasted. Yes guys, they just waste the fruit. Much better you have a stick so that you can really get the good one, instead of just throwing rocks or stones or pebbles, because sometimes when you throw rocks, pebbles or stones, all you get is those young ones, and for sure you don't like it, because you know when it's not yet ready to eat, it's not yellowish. When you try to bite it, and you will discover that it's not yet ready to eat, it's very sour, so you won't like it. All you have to do is throw it away, so it's wasted. You waste the fruit. So much better you have a stick. But make sure also guys that when you go to this place, the owner cannot see you, because sometimes you know they just there across the sugarcane field, right? So sometimes if there's someone right in there that looking to this place, you can hear they are shouting, "Hey, don't get some mangoes on our trees because we are selling it, making them as our money." And there's another one. It's a big one guys. I don't bring my own gimbal. This stick that I'm using to hold my phone is my boyfriend's stick, so it's not easy because there's no you cannot put it on the corner. And but well, I will try to put this on the corner while I'm picking some mangoes. I try. So see you later. I don't know how to. I'm looking for a stick guys to get the fruit of mango fruit of get the mango fruit. Sorry guys, I didn't notice that my phone is already fall down on the ground. So hold on. There, I get another one. You know guys, it's really windy, that's why it's hard. So this is okay, and I saw some more in there. I will get. I saw some more in there outside, so I'll pick it up. There, this one, it's two. It's plenty now, so I think this is enough guys. So wait, hold on guys, I will put you right there in the corner, and let's go now. Go. So at least I got plenty here. It's really hot here in the countryside, but it's quite okay because it's windy. So get this. I'll go back and get this. This one. We need this. I'm like a garbage collector, guys. It's not easy for me. I have umbrella, I have mangoes on the other hand, and I'm holding this camera. Oops, see, not very easy. It's hard, but it's okay. At least be able to get some mangoes. Wait guys, I will put you. Hold on, this is not easy for me. I think I'm going to close umbrella. Put right there. And oh, it's really dusty. So that's the Kanaon volcano, and looks like it's raining in the neighborhood. Rubbish. It's hard for me, guys. It's not very easy holding a camera and try to make a video. Then, but at least I'm here now. So guys, I'm back to the house, and I don't know if you can hear my voice, and I tried to make it louder because there's music background, so I hope this video is not copyright, hopefully. So maybe I will end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, take care, and please visit my Facebook account so you can also, if you want to chat with me, make friend with me, I will put my Facebook account on the screen. And for those who do not yet subscribe to my YouTube channel, please guys subscribe. And to all the viewers that watching my vlog, thank you so much. To all my subscribers, new and all, that you are still there and supporting and watching my video, thank you so much, guys. And see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Thank you for watching again.